ALLYCAT Castle, welcome! Yes! And on this channel, I share with you makeup reviews, skincare reviews, and fragrance reviews. And on today's episode, we will be doing a makeup review on the Milani's all-inclusive eye, cheek, and face palette. Yes! And guess what? This one is only $14.99, and this one is made in Taiwan. So let's open this beauty. Yes! And here we go. Look at that. She's so pretty. And she actually has 3 eyeshadows. She also has a highlighter, a bronzer, and 2 blushes. So without further ado, let's do our swatching right now. So let's swatch the eyeshadows first. So this is the first one, the second, and the third. And look at that. I believe this one is actually a very good all over. This one is a good highlighter, and this one is a very good transitional color. Yes. Now let's actually swatch the highlighter and the bronzer. Now this is the highlight. Look at that, so pretty. This one can actually serve as a very good highlighter too. Now this is the bronzer. Look at that. It's actually quite light, but it will do the job. Now let's try the blushes. So this is the first one. The other one is like a bit of a shimmery blush. Look at that, so pretty. And then this is the blush, the matte one. And here we go. So now, without further ado, let's do it on our face. Yes, let's do some makeup. Yes. So first, we will start with the highlighter on the inner corner of the eye. And instead of this eyeshadow, I'm actually going to use the highlighter as my highlighter on the inner corner of the eyes. Yes. Look at that. She's actually very pretty. Now, what we're gonna do is we're gonna do the all-over eyelid color using the lighter eyeshadow right there, the matte color. And we're gonna press it right on our eyelids. And we're gonna use the same eyeshadow right on our crease as well, using an eye blending brush. And then we're gonna use the same shadow right on our lower lash line. And let's use a little bit of the inner corner highlight as well with the same brush. Look how pretty! Just good for every day. And then we're gonna use the darker shadow, this one, as our eyeliner. But first, we're gonna wet our brush with some water. Look how quick and easy that is. Definitely good for every day. Now let's put some lashes. Yes! And here you go. Look at that. Quick and easy eye. Oh my gosh. So now, let me just match it on the other side before we go to our bronzer, highlight, and blush. Yes, I'll be back. And I'm back. Yes, I finished the other eye as well. But for some reason, the highlighter blush, as well as this other pink highlighter for the eyes, is calling my name. So let's actually blend them together. And let's actually apply them a little bit right here. Oh my gosh, that's so pretty. Do you see that? Let me do it on the other side. So cute. So now it's time to put on our bronzer. Yes. So we're gonna use an angled brush, and we're gonna start right on our cheekbones. And then we're gonna do the bronzer right on the temples, right here, as well as right on the forehead. Look how pretty! And then we're gonna contour the nose with the bronzer as well. Yes! Connecting it to the crease. And now we're gonna blend the edges with the makeup sponge that has a little bit of a leftover of the foundation. And now we'll put some highlight, and I'm gonna combine the blush highlighter as well as the regular highlighter right here. Yes! And then we're gonna put on some blush. Yes! And now let's just put some lip liner using the NARS Precision Lip Pencil in Cup Dye. And here's the final look. Yes! What do you think? So, here's my final thoughts on the Milani's all-inclusive eye, cheek, and face palette. Yes! So, for $14.99, are you kidding me? Look at that full face of makeup and everything was right here. From 3 eyeshadows with the 2 blushes, a highlighter, and a bronzer. So, it was very pigmented. There was not much of a fallout. The eyeshadows are good for dry or wet. I even used it as an eyeliner. And then the highlighters are amazing. I mean, Milani always delivers amazing results. So, what are you waiting for? Get one right now! Yes! Just so you know, this is not a sponsored video, okay? So, what's my verdict? This is a winner! Yes! So, if you find this helpful and if you found value in this video, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up, and also please don't forget to subscribe for more makeup reviews, fragrance reviews, and skincare reviews. My name is ALLYCAT Castle, and let's all remember to always be kind and to be a blessing to others by telling everyone how beautiful everyone is. And if I may tell you, you are beautiful just the way you are, with or without makeup, and I love you!